What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could be the difference between struggling financially and building lasting wealth? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing. Millionaires aren't born. They're built. And they're built through tiny, boring, repeatable habits that most people ignore. Now, let's do a quick reality check. How many minutes did you scroll on your phone today? Be honest. Yeah, we both know that's a lie, but don't worry, because today I'm going to show you one simple habit, a habit that self-made millionaires swear by that only takes 10 minutes but can change your financial future forever. And trust me, if you skip this, you'll wish you hadn't. The habit is daily financial reflection, tracking, analyzing, and strategizing your money for just 10 minutes every single day. Why? Because what you don't track, you can't improve. Let's break this down. 1 to 3. Minute. Track what you spent today. Did money leave your account? Where did it go? If you don't control your spending controls you. 4 to 6. Minute. Identify waste. That $7 latte? That's $210 a month. Invest that instead. You could have $120,000 in 10 years. 7 to 10. Minute. Plan tomorrow's wealth. Move. Wealth isn't built in years. It's built in minutes, daily. Ask yourself, what will I do tomorrow to move closer to financial freedom? Where can I invest, save, cut back? What's one financial decision I can make better than yesterday? Daily financial reflection isn't just a habit, it's a wealth multiplier. Think about it. Athletes track every workout. Successful entrepreneurs track every sale. So why don't most people track their money? Because they think it doesn't matter, but it does. Small daily insights lead to smarter spending. Smarter spending leads to more investing. More investing leads to financial freedom. And the best part? The first results show up fast. The more you track, the more you train your brain to see money differently. Suddenly, you start spotting opportunities, not just expenses. And that mindset shift, that's what turns an average person into a millionaire. Here's your challenge. Try this for just 7 days. Spend 10 minutes each night reviewing your finances. Track, analyze, plan. And if you start seeing results, come back and comment. I see the change. Because once you see it, you'll never go back. Hit subscribe if you're serious about building wealth, because this is just the beginning.